The cryptocurrency world has been on, yes, a very steep pullback over the last really month. Now, we've watched the price of Bitcoin decline from about $70,000 down to $59,000. Ethereum has dropped from roughly $4,000 down to about $3,200, $3,300. We are seeing some losses. We've got some reasons for those losses, and I believe that they will turn around. And when they do, yes, Bitcoin is going to be doing very nice. Yes, Ethereum is going to be doing very well, but little tiny tokens like Doge are going to soar in value. When you move from the current neutral area back into a greedy situation, the smallest of the small tokens thrive the most. We're going to be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we've got Doge on the screen. Now, we're going to jump back into this in a second here, but I do want to show you guys some of the crypto news that might be causing the market to fall. Now, of course, we did get rejected off of recent and all-time highs, depending on which coin you're looking at here, and there are several factors that have affected prices over the last month. But check this out. Crypto investment products see $584 million outflow as Bitcoin descends to $60,000. Okay, it's not necessarily retail investors panicking, which would make sense, considering we're not in a fearful situation. But retail investors certainly aren't buying. So let's go on. $584 million in outflow from institutions in those ETFs. Bitcoin tumbles towards $62,000 as crypto bulls see $150 million in liquidations. Those that were on leverage positions are getting liquidated. So now, all of a sudden, you've got derivatives falling at an exponential pace. You've got institutions kind of stop-loss hunting and knocking these leveraged positions out of existence. And I've seen people posting on X that they are seeing huge losses on their leveraged positions. And finally, I want to look at this one for a second. Mt. Gox. Guys, if you're brand new to the crypto game, you don't know who Mt. Gox is. Mt. Gox, basically, they got hacked a long time ago, and they're set to return Bitcoin to essentially the original investors on centralized exchanges. It was nowhere near as easy as it is now to get your hands on cryptocurrency a decade ago. Mt. Gox is set to begin returning $9 billion in July. People could be gearing up and expecting a market dump once these payments start hitting accounts. People see money that they haven't seen in the last decade, and they're easily willing to sell it as opposed to hold it because, of course, they're done with crypto at this point. So a lot of people might be gearing up for this July sell-off. And of course, I do believe that the overall volume in the cryptocurrency space can eat a $9 billion, not everybody's going to sell either, but $9 billion in eventual liquidations that aren't all going to be happening at the same point in time. So those are some reasons the overall market is falling, but we may be nearing a bottom, all right? Bitcoin is finding support at the $60,000 level, and if it begins to tick back up, you're going to see it trickle down the same way that it does when you go from a bear market to a bull market. It is going to hit Bitcoin, Ethereum, top altcoins, trickle down into the bigger meme coins, and then tiny little tokens like Doge. And guys, once the tiny little tokens like Doge are seeing interest, you're going to be seeing this fear to greed index ticking back up into greedy territory. And when that happens, tokens like Doge soar the most. Why? Because when investors are greedy, they go after the largest gains, and the largest gains are found in the smallest market caps. And something brand new like Doge will have that smaller market cap. So let's talk about what it is. And if you are interested in buying, simply click the link in the description below. Connect your wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect. You guys can do it however you want. From there, if you're going to buy 5 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 3.1 million Doge. You can also buy on the BNB network with USDT, either on the Ethereum network or BNB here, or you can buy with Ethereum or BNB. If you're going to be staking, you're currently earning 133% annualized staking rewards. That is crazy good interest, and don't even have to worry about the launch day volatility and trading volatility afterwards. So what is Doge? Doge is the best play-to-earn Doge companion game. You're going to go out there and you're going to have a Tamagotchi-style app where you can take care of your Doge. You can feed it, entertain it, train it, and you can ensure that it gets enough sleep. and it's going to earn you play Doge. You're going to earn cryptocurrency just by taking care and playing this Tamagotchi game. On top of the Tamagotchi, you've got these little mini games that you can play as well. You're going to have classic side-scrolling adventures, and you're going to have little retro arcade-style mini-games like Space Invaders here, and these apps are going to be released during Phase 4 of their roadmap. So on top of the Phase 4 there with the app releases, you're going to have community airdrops and centralized exchange, hopefully Tier 1 centralized exchange listings. The tokenomics can be broken down as follows, and you guys can check those out there, but I want you to see the most asked question that I ever see, and that's when can you claim? You're going to be able to claim when the presale ends, and the presale is going to end after 40 stages. They've already gone through 12 or 13 stages, which means that you're still, if you get in, you're still going to see about 30 price increases before Play Doge launches here. 30 price increases is going to pad your portfolio nicely on launch day. And if you're interested, they are growing their X community, and they're growing very quickly. 5,468 followers during this pullback. Think about that, guys. They're able to amass 5,000 followers since the beginning of the month here, during a time when the entire cryptocurrency market has seen red day after red day after red day. There's been no green days for Bitcoin and the top coins out there, and Play Doge has had a very hard go of it, yet they've still been able to raise $5 million. They've still been able to amass 5,000 followers, and they still keep up their commitment to remaining extremely engaged out on their social media profile. Making a post 8 hours ago, 3 hours ago, yesterday, day before, yesterday again, day before. They're sitting 2 to 3 posts per day, raising money in one of the worst pullbacks that we have seen in a very long time, and the worst week in crypto since the beginning of 2024. I believe Play Doge has crazy good potential, which is why I have bought in. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are buying in. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.